Good morning and welcome to today's reading session. Today we're going to be looking at the book Friendly Matches, which is a collection of poems written by Ahlberg. The book is illustrated by Fritz, Wegner and published by Puffin books. So before we look at the poem I chose for you today, I'm going to give you a small fact about Ahlberg. Ahlberg had a wonderful career where he spent 20 years writing books together with his wife Janet Ahlberg, who was an illustrator, and together they created beautiful and wonderful children's books. Unfortunately, his wife passed away, so obviously he cannot work with his better half any longer. Okay? Now, the poem I chose for you today is titled The Song of the Sub. Sub is an abbreviation of a longer word, which is substitute. Now, what do you think substitute stands for when it comes to football? Right? So a substitute is a player who is called for the game, however, he's not chosen to start with the starting 11. Okay, we know that there are 11 players on the pitch, and the substitute is not part of those 11. He is waiting on the sideline, on a bench, waiting for his turn. Now, the coach might ask him to join the match in the first half, he might ask him to join in the second half, or he might not ask him to join at all. And why might the coach ask him to join? Perhaps one of his teammates gets injured, or one of the teammates is playing badly, right? So sometimes these situations will demand the coach to substitute one of the players. Okay? Now, let's try and think a bit what the substitute feels, all right? So imagine you are a substitute, a footballer who's a sub, waiting at the side for your turn. How would you feel if one of your teammates gets injured? Would you feel upset and sorry for your teammate, or would you feel relieved that it is finally your time to play the game? Okay, how would you feel at the side waiting for your turn? Perhaps waiting for a whole match and it's never your turn. And this poem speaks exactly about this. And it is called The Song of the Sub. I'm standing on the touchline in my substitute's kit, as though it doesn't matter, and I don't mind a bit. I'm trying to be patient, trying not to hope that my friends play badly, and the team can't cope. I'm a sub, and I sing this song, and I'm only ever wanted when things go wrong. When a boy has the measles, when a boy goes lame, the teacher turns to me and I get a game. When a boy gets kicked or shows up late and they need another player, I'm the candidate. I'm a sub, and I sing the song, and I'm only ever wanted when things go wrong. I warm up on the touchline, I stretch and bend, and wonder what disasters my luck will send. If a boy got lost or ran away to France, if a boy got kidnapped, would I get my chance? I'm a sub, and I sing the song, and I'm only ever wanted when things go wrong. I feel a bit embarrassed that I'm not bothered more when decisions go against us and the other teams score. I try to keep my spirits up. I juggle with the ball and hope to catch the teacher's eye. It does no good at all. Just a sub till my dying day. And I only get a kick when the others can't play. I'm standing on the touchline on the very same spot, and it does really matter, and I do mind a lot. I think I'll hang my boots up. It's not the game for me. Then suddenly I hear the words, "You're on." I am? Yippee! Very good. So I hope you enjoyed the poem. And Now we're going to move on to the activity we have for you today. Okay? So here we have the title of the poem we just read, The Song of the Sub. Now in the first box, we're asking you to write or draw what comes to mind after reading this poem. So the title says, Poems can create beautiful images in our mind. What story does this poem tell us? In this box, write or draw what comes to mind after reading this poem. So if you prefer writing, you can write what this poem was about, or if you prefer drawing, then you can draw an image that comes to mind after hearing this poem. Okay, and in the circle over here, we're asking you to list some emotions that this footballer is feeling as a sub. Okay, we discussed it before reading the poem, and we heard the poem, so we would like you here to write down some emotions that come to mind. Okay? Very good. This brings us to the end of the session. I hope you enjoyed it, and we wish you a brilliant day.